Subscribe to Femina and press the bell icon.
Gorge on these cooling foods this summer. But first, stay hydrated. Heat causes body to lose its water rapidly, so eat foods with high water quotient. Melons. They are rich in electrolytes and water, high in nutrients, and provide natural sugar to the body. Watermelon. It deserves a special mention as it acts as an internal AC for the body, promotes creation of fluid, and acts as a diuretic. Kiwis. They are refreshing, great powerhouses of antioxidants and help regularize sleep patterns. Citrus fruits. They're loaded with vitamin C. They fight colds, help build immunity, and have lots of fiber. Cucumbers have high water content, are rich in vitamin K, promote bone health, and prevent constipation. Leafy greens. They're full of vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and fiber. They're easy to digest, put a lesser load on the body, and improve metabolism. Bottle gourd or lauki has the lowest calories among vegetables, has 96% water content, improves liver function, and prevents UTIs. Tomatoes. They are great antioxidants, promote heart health, boost digestion apart from hydrating the body. Yogurt. It fulfills the calcium needs of the body, improves bone health, hydrates the body, and prevents yeast infections. Coconut water cools the body, improves digestion, promotes weight loss, and is great for skin health. Lemonade or nimbu pani provides instant energy, is a great source of vitamin C, immediately cools and hydrates the body, and improves digestion. Kokum sharbat, high in antioxidants and vitamin C, strengthens the digestive system, tackles body heat, and regularizes the bowel movement. Buttermilk fights dehydration, washes down the fats of the body, is rich in calcium, and helps tackle acidity. So, stay cool.